package. What is in here? Elevate your education. Socks. What else? A t-shirt from Idaho State University. And some swag stickers. Look at these. And I chose Albion Center courses because I did my online professional development that way, and I was able to add credits to my master's level. I have applied injury prevention, mindfulness, and movement to my school. I love that the modules are self-paced. I was so fortunate that I was able to use the free $200 credit towards my first course that I took. The courses are affordable and they're flexible, especially for educators. I strongly encourage my colleagues to enroll in the PD courses from ISU Albion Center. My pay scale and learn a lot of really great take two, cut it, and learn all I've taken. What have I taken? Albion Center. Should I start? Can I say the thing again?